The Kit Super Pro from Bosch, an easy-to-use solution for changing brake shoes that delivers clear benefits. The Kit Super Pro provides all spare parts required for drum brake replacement in both wheels and is already pre-assembled. Pin retaining clips, springs, 2 wheel cylinders, anti-seize compound, and 2 pre-assembled brake shoes with self-adjuster. This provides significant advantages, like a simplified, time-saving ordering process with one part number for all parts, a simple, space-saving storage at your workshop, and up to 50% faster installation with the Kit Super Pro. The fitting procedure is incredibly easy. For easy comparison, the brake shoe replacement procedure using the Kit Super Pro is presented on the right panel. On the left panel, the separate parts are being fitted together. After mounting the brake cylinder, reattach the brake line and take the plastic protectors off the pre-assembled Kit Super Pro. Anchor the pre-assembled brake shoes in place. Position the brake shoes on the pistons. Insert all pin-retaining clips, guide pins, and hook springs. Finally, reconnect the parking brake cable. The brake shoe installation with Kit Super Pro has finished. It only took 3 minutes. The mechanic using separate components is now fitting the second brake shoe and still has to assemble the self-adjuster, the upper and bottom springs, and to reconnect the parking brake cable. Compared to the Kit Super Pro, installing separate spare parts takes over 6 minutes, which is more than twice as long. Invented for life. Bosch.